Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to take screenshots on iPhone without using the buttons. Now there are three methods to take screenshots without using the buttons on your iPhone. Now for the first method, just open Settings, then go to Accessibility. From here, just go to Touch. Now at the end of the page, you will find the option of Back Tap. Just tap on it. Now from here, just select either double tap or triple tap. I will select double tap. Now from this list, just select Screenshot. Just like that. Now once you select Screenshot, you can capture a screenshot by double tapping the back of your iPhone. Just like that. Now for the second method, just open Settings, then go to Accessibility. Now from here, just tap on Touch, then tap on AssistiveTouch. From here, just enable this toggle and enable AssistiveTouch on your iPhone. Now once you enable AssistiveTouch on your iPhone, just tap on Customize top level menu. Now just tap on this plus icon. Now from here, just tap on this plus icon, and from this list, just select Screenshot. Now once you select Screenshot, just tap on Done. Now once you do that, you can capture a screenshot using the Assistive menu on your iPhone. Now to do that, just tap on the Assistive menu and open the Assistive menu, and from here just select Screenshot. Just like that. Now for the third method, just open Settings, then tap on Apple Intelligence. Now from here, just tap on Talk to Siri, and from here, just make sure you enable Siri on your iPhone. Now if it is on off, just select Siri or Hey Siri. Now just tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done. Now from here you can use Siri to take a screenshot. Now for that, just say, Hey Siri, take a screenshot. Just like that. Now you can view all your screenshots in the Photos app. Just like that. And this is how you can take screenshots on iPhone without using the buttons. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.